Hey physics peeps, we're going to take some really quick notes on electric circuits. So I need you to pull out your pen or pencil, piece of paper, and we're going to take really brief notes. And so here we go. First off, I need you to copy this stuff down. These three terms, copy everything down. Don't worry about the pictures. We'll just use these for explanations. So pause the video now. All right. And so when we talk about electricity, it is this movement of charged particles, but it's particular particle. Remember in an atom, electrons are on the outside, protons are in the inside. Protons don't move. It's the movement of electrons that creates the electricity. But that movement we call the electric current. And there's going to be terms that will seem really familiar and that you've heard before. When we say electric current, it is just this movement of charged particles, kind of like water flowing through pipes, or there's water currents in the ocean. It's just the movement of water. And then an electric circuit is really just the path that electric current flows through. Kind of like pipes that flow through your house. They carry water from one place to another. Water goes in one way. And the circuit would be just considered where the pipes are going and how that water comes back to the ground or back to the water treatment plant, things like that. And for an electric circuit, it's very similar. We could imagine it like electric current flowing in one side of the plug, even though it's a little different. We'll kind of use this for now. One side of the plug, and it follows through the electric circuit. Even something like an electric toaster is considered a circuit where it goes through the heating coil. There's a switch that you can turn on and off, and then it flows back out. And that's really all that the circuit is. And cool beans, right? Once you got that, then last couple things. And this, when we say open circuit, I want you to copy this down right here and pause the video now. Okay, so when we say open circuit, it just means that no current flows. We can think of it kind of like if you had a switch that you could flip open where it does not connect and then flip closed. When we say open circuit, it means that the switch is flipped open and electric current is not allowed to flow. But then when we talk about a closed circuit, I want you to copy this down and hit pause right now. Okay, a closed circuit is just that switch is closed and current is allowed to flow throughout the circuit. If there's a break in the circuit or if there is an open circuit where that switch is back open, current can't flow. It needs that total path in order to flow. The other thing you need to know is that current flows from positive to negative. You need to know that. You need to know that. I want you to jot that down. Current flows from positive to negative. Go ahead and do that. And now we're done. We're done, you guys. So that's the notes. We're going to be getting into lab here in very shortly. I have a separate video that shows you some of the equipment and some of how that lab is going to flow. But yeah, we'll get into that. Thanks for following along. I'll see you guys here in just a second.